Welcome to this how-to guide. So today we're going to look at how to sew a seed stitch. A seed stitch is quite resemblant of a running stitch in the way you do it, but without a direct straight order. So first you want to attach your fabric, which I'm using calico, onto an embroidery hoop. Thread your needle using embroidery thread. I put a wee knot at the end of mine, and then you want to pull it through from the underneath, pulling it all the way through, and then going back down to create one straight running stitch. Normally then you would go straight ahead, but with the seed stitch you then want to go the opposite ways, and you can go down. You can then add wee gaps. A seed stitch is a running stitch, but in no particular order, that you wanted to do in a similar sense of to meet your design for your fashion. So you want to do it in small sections or big sections to allow this for you to do so. And the more individualized or big or wee stitches you add in, the enhancement of the look it'll end up with. And just like that, that's how you do a seed stitch. A seed stitch is a running stitch with no particular order, and on the back it will look uneven, but on the front is what your design will look like.